Mike Pompeo announces the creation of something called the Commission of Unalienable Rights. And what he seems to be trying to change are the standards by which we evaluate what is, hear me out here, what is or what is not, speaking globally in terms of country by country, what is or what is not a human rights violation.
I'm pleased to announce today the formation of a Commission on Unalienable Rights. It's a sad commentary on our times that more than 70 years after the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, gross violations continue throughout the world, sometimes even in the name of human rights. International institutions designed and built to protect human rights have drifted from their original mission.
But in this new commission's charter that he just created or announced the creation, that was posted on the Federal Register in May, it actually made no mention of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and instead invoked what's called natural law, which implicitly implies something about God-given rights and actually implicitly challenges what are man-made laws, right? And natural law has been invoked by religious opponents of, for example, same-sex marriage in the past. So many are saying that he seems to be making this sort of faith-based determination.
Hold on.
Using the state as an apparatus, yes.
Is he Catholic?
Yeah, he's actually associated with the evangelical Presbyterian.
Do you know what natural
Church.
law is? Natural law was something established by St. Thomas Aquinas. Law natural, which means that basically all the laws are given to us by God, and we have to use those laws and then enforce them on a global or national standpoint. I didn't know this. I mean, this is, you said natural, that's what that is.
Well, and what's more is that the head of this new commission that he just announced will be Ann Glendon, who was the U.S. ambassador to the Vatican during the Bush administration. So interesting connections here.
I'd like to introduce Professor Ann Glendon to say a few words.
Mr. Secretary, I'm deeply grateful for the honor of chairing this new commission, and I want to thank you especially for giving a priority to human rights at this moment when basic human rights are being misunderstood by many, manipulated by many, and ignored by the world's worst human rights violators. At the same time, I understand that the mission that you have set us is a challenging one. You've asked us to work at the level of principle, not policy, and you've asked us to take our bearings from the distinctive rights tradition of the United States of America, a tradition that is grounded in the institutions without which rights would not be possible: constitutional government and the rule of law. I want to assure you, Mr. Secretary, that we will do our very best to carry out your marching orders and to do so in a way that will assist you in your difficult task of transmuting principle into policy. Thank you very much.
Saying it's time to call the Commission on Unalienable Rights what it really is: a thinly veiled religious fundamentalist panel that aims to cut back the human rights of people all over the world. And like I said, Pompeo himself is associated with Christianity, so that is definitely one concern.
But I got to tell you...